Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You aren't looking at me right now, but you're looking at, I haven't named her yet, but you're looking at this beautiful creature. So as you can tell by the title of the video, you're gonna be watching me practice on a new craft that I am trying to learn, which is acrylic sets and application and shaping and all that stuff. So you are going to watch me do that in a time-lapse video. I'm not going to talk through and I'm not going to teach. Like, this isn't a teaching video. It's just kind of so you can learn with me and I can bring you guys on my journey with me, because I am in no position to teach right now. I'm just learning, and this is exactly why I haven't been posting as much, because I've been doing this on all my spare time. And as you guys know, I just had a baby, so this is what I have been doing. So I was like, well, instead of practicing as I always do by myself, why don't I just show them and bring them along with me? So that's what I'm doing. This, as you see on the pinky, is a nail that I did maybe like 3-4 days ago. So I'm leaving this one here for reference so I could just compare it to the new one that I'm going to do today, which I'm probably going to do on the finger right next to it, so that way I could just look at it later on. But that's about it. If you guys have any questions about anything I'm using, because I am still testing things out, seeing what I like and stuff like that, you can ask me down below in the comments. And a little background so you know what I'm starting off with and the knowledge I'm starting off with. I was self-practicing for about a month by myself on YouTube. I had ordered all these materials off of YouTube based on certain recommendations videos. So after that, actually about 2 weeks ago, I took a nail class, a beginner class with Zoevenailart is her handle on Instagram. She was so amazing. It was like an 8-hour class, so she certified me through her, if you know what I mean. Not licensed, certified. So it was a really, really good beginner class, and on top of that, she answered any questions, helped with the basics, helped with the prep, all that stuff. So I am working with a little bit of self-taughtness and practice on my own, and then with a really, really good beginner class with a teacher. So you guys will see what I do, how I do it. If you have any help, any pointers, anything for me, please leave them down below, because I'm more than happy to learn. And if you guys want to know where any of this is from, let me know down below, but I will try to put it all in the description box, because it was hard for me to find a hand that worked well, because I saw so many mixed reviews on it. But that's about it. So I'll take you guys on this mini little journey with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Was the end of that. This is the starting off nail, as you can tell. This is the one that comes with the practice hand, so this would be technically your natural nail. And this is the one I did today, which I like way more in quality over the other one I did a couple days ago. So let me just pop them off real quick and explain to you what I was trying to tell you in a little bit of my own little sign language. So this is the one I did a couple days ago. As you can tell, I tried doing a strong apex. The apex is your stress area, which is normally right around here. And as you can see, I did it a little too exaggerated. So it's more of like a hump when it's supposed to like gradually smooth back into the nail. So this one I wasn't very happy with when it came to the apex. But I filed it and it still wouldn't go down. And in reality, you don't want to have to file that much on clients. So I was like, okay, that's a dub. So I practiced today. And this is my shape of my square. Not a coffin, just a square. And I like my apex way more, which you could tell. It's gradual around the cuticle area, and then it starts going up and blends into the rest of the nail. Also, the thickness of the nail I'm super happy with. Sorry, my camera's acting weird with all these objects, but you can see that a little. Let me try to zoom you guys out. Ooh, I figured it out. Okay. So I love the thickness of that nail. Not too thick, not too frail. And there's the apex, guys. I am so happy with this nail. So you could get one last look of what I did. This was the first one, which I am not as happy with. And this is today's. So yeah. Again, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, let me know down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Again, based on what I know so far as a beginner. But yeah. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And that's how we gonna keep it popping. And let me know if you guys want to see more nail stuff as I go through this journey. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.